There's the Death Valley. We're looking at Mesquite Springs.
Down there somewhere.
There's the Death Valley. There, Flower Sheep Blues. And there is Telescope Peak.
What are these peaks called?
Sucky Desert Peaks. Oh, there's the racetrack. And there's the Sierras. Oh yeah. And there's that Bloody Dry. Oh, thanks. And there's Mount Tom. And what's this over here? White Mountain? Looks like there's some clouds coming in. This could be interesting. Where's the Ubehebe? Oh, there it is. Dude. Okay. Well, is it the right mountain?
Trying to figure out what range is it.
Who cares?
Oh,